Let's look at dividing fractions. The first step to dividing fractions is going to be to invert the second fraction and then multiply. So we'll take a over b divided by c over d, and we'll rewrite it as a over b times d over c. We just flip that second fraction over, and then it becomes a multiplication. Here's an example of fraction division. We have 12 over 13 divided by 84 elevenths. The first thing that we're going to do is invert that second fraction. So if we have 12 over 13 divided by 84 elevenths, that's going to become 12 over 13 times 11 over 84. So now that this is multiplication, we'll multiply straight across the top and the bottom. So we have 12 times 11 in the numerator, and we have 13 times 84 in the denominator. We know that 12 divides 84, so we can cancel out the 12 in the top, replace that with a 1, and divide 84 by 12. That's going to give us a 7 in the denominator. So in the top, now we have a 1 and an 11, and in the bottom we have a 13 and a 7. So we don't have any more cancellations that can occur. So we're going to have 1 times 11, or 11 in the top, and we're going to have 13 times 7 in the denominator. Well, 13 times 7 is 91, and so we have 11 over 91 for our final answer. Let's check our understanding. So pause the video for a minute and try this one on your own first. Okay, so we're dividing 18 over 7 by 9 over 49. So we know our first step is going to be that we're going to invert that second fraction and multiply. So we have 18 over 7 multiplied by 49 over 9. Now, this has become multiplication, and so we're going to multiply straight across. So we have 18 over 49, or 18 times 49, divided by 7 times 9. Now, 7 and 49 both have 7 as a factor, so we can divide 49 by 7 to get 7, and we divide 7 by 7 to get 1. Now 18 and 9 both have 9 as a factor, so we'll divide 18 by 9 to get 2, we'll divide 9 by 9 to get 1. So in the numerator, that's going to leave us with 2 times 7, which is 14, and in the denominator we'll have 1. Or in other words, we could just write this as 14.